Do you want to learn more about the tiny creatures that really rule the world? Join me, Dr. Z, this April break for a MicroSafari. Students in grades kindergarten through 3rd grade can come to my lab and do all kinds of exploring both indoors and outdoors. We'll be doing things like investigating our hissing cockroach friends, visiting all kinds of other little creatures, learning about what insects are out and about this time of year, mucking through some pond water to find all kinds of microscopic creatures, learning how to prepare your very own microscope slides, doing all sorts of hands-on crafts, and going on exploratory adventures out in the forest. Sign up now at tmsc.org.